Everyone do the sixth and seventh question. Hello, Viru Sestrobuti. Have Amira and Pritesh are absent today. Dheeraj, start your camera. Hello, whom are you fighting with?
Nobody.
Dheeraj, whom were you fighting with?
Sir, I was not fighting, but I was talking to my mom.
You were fighting. Mr. YY, keep your camera on.
Yes, so
This is the grade 6 book of Olympiads. Guys, you have to send to Kenny ma'am, but for now I will check. And the answers, Dheeraj and the way you had to send, you had already sent to Ragini ma'am, so I cannot check. So Wicked Sunny,
सर मैंने काफी पहले भी दिया था.
so let me explain now then. So how many more unit squares in the figure must be shaded so that the fraction is 7 by 9? So total squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 24. 3, 6, 9,
24 होता ना सर
not 24, it's 6, 10, 12, plus 6, 18. So 18 are total squares. So if I want 7 by 9 shaded, means 7 by 9 of 18, means 7 by 9 times 18. So it is, I want 14 squares shaded. So how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are already shaded. So 14 minus 6, 8 more need to be shaded. So
तो फिर मेरा
Sunny,
करेक्ट था आंसर
yes.
सर फिर मेरा करेक्ट था आंसर मैंने डी भेजा है
मैम को डी भेजा है, आपने मुझे डी भेजा है, आपने मैम को क्या भेजा है ये मुझे नहीं पता.
सर मैंने मैम
मुझे
को भेजा ही नहीं आंसर
मैम ने क्यों मार्क कर दिया? चलो इट्स ओके, डजंट मैटर. So next question, answer is C. Everyone got it correct. Now you have to do the 8th and 9th question. Now it's a big whiteboard. Should these two are big questions? Should we do one by one?
No,
First,
sir.
give the answer for the 8th question. So Savera and Dheeraj, time up now.
Where is the answer B?
Can I go to washroom?
Written during the break, not when the class is going on.
B.
Answer is not B, the answer is D. So you have 46.92 minus 89.34 minus 148.76 plus 382.79 equals to P. So I will just tell you how you do it. You add the positive ones first, then subtract, then add the negative ones together, and then do the subtraction. Dheeraj, did you do it like this?
There, but it is written that minus 46.92 minus 89.34 minus P is equal to
बेटा सी
140.
P को मैं राइट साइड ले गया तो ये बन गया P प्लस P. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These two I brought it on the left side, so it becomes minus 148 plus 382. So if we are doing Olympiad, if we are giving any exam, time is of the greatest essence. And to save time, this is the technique which works best. We add the negative ones together, we add the positive ones together, then finally do the difference. You want me to solve me, I can solve it for you. Should I solve?
No, sir, I understood the technique.
So Savera, you also couldn't send.
Yes,
So
sir.
who solved it like this, like the way I mentioned? ये ninth भी हो जाएगा. It's a time consuming question. Let's go to the 10th one. 10th, is interesting. Is it interesting? Yes, Dheeraj.
It looks like it. What does it mean by simplify? Is the answer going to be in a fraction?
Simplify means you have to जैसे divide है off है पूरा उसको solve कर दो simplify नहीं करते बचपन से करते हुए आ रहे हो simplify.
Oh, just like that.
Yes, learns like that. I got it. Quickly, kids. So, Ajay, why you want to wash the room during the middle of a class? Why is that?
Sir, I have done this using fractions. So can I send it in the fractions method?
Beta, is this a fractions question or an MCQ question, Advay? So,
MCQ.
I have an idea, Advay. When this question comes in exam, you write in the OMR, I have done using fractions and here is my answer.
Sir,
तो मैंने भी फ्रैक्शन ही किया बट कन्वर्ट कर दिया.
Beta, when you see all the options are in decimals, so why in the world will you go to fractions?
Sir, this particular question, I thought it was easy to do in.
All right, Lilwani. Ma'am, please give star to Sunny and Avyan. So when you will divide 18.6 with 3, you will get 3 6 are 18, 3 2 are 6, 6.2. Any problem? So we understood this part is 6.2. Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
So, yes, sir. One
So
Yes,
more.
when I
sir.
multiply this with this, 3 8s are 24.
So
So
then,
I will get 2.04. Any doubts in this?
no, sir. So don't you want to
Then
brackets
1
of
by 6 times. I am doing this now. Now, why did I do this part separately, this part separately? Because this part is separate and this part is separate and this part is separate. So I can do them together also. So 1 by 6 of 19.3 will give me 4.8. So this you will give you 0.8. So 6.2 minus 0.8 plus 2.04. So this will give you 5.4 plus 2.04, which is 7.44. So Savera, Mr. YY who did it in fractions,
सर हम
and
पहले
Dheeraj,
6.04 नहीं ऐड करेंगे
क्या
सर हम पहले 6.2 और 2.04 नहीं ऐड करेंगे
कर दो ऐड, सेम आंसर आएगा। एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में आप कुछ भी ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, पहले कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आता। This will become 8.24 minus 0.8, again 7.44.
there was one mistake and because of it all of it got
Got it,
0.0
Savir?
यस सर मैंने 0.08 ले लिया
Yes. So addition or subtraction may you do anything first. It doesn't, the answer does not change. The answer does not change. Mr. YY, the president of the club,
लास्ट स्टेप पे था तो
the
हो गया था सर
president. Now the next is a really interesting question from grade 5 book. This question is actually in grade 5 book, a very, very, very similar question.
सर फ्रैक्शंस में भी पहले पॉजिटिव को प्लस करना पड़ता है
Fractions में पहले
पॉजिटिव को प्लस करना होता है
बेटा पॉजिटिव को प्लस करना कोई रूल नहीं, बट अगर आप दो पॉजिटिव्स ऐड करते हो फिर नेगेटिव सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो तो आपकी कैलकुलेशन इजी होती है। अब इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 6 है, यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 3 है, तो इन दोनों को ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो। यू अंडरस्टैंड? बिकॉज दिस विल बी इजियर, सो वी डू व्हाटएवर इज इजियर अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन। देयर इज नो रूल कि पॉजिटिव पहले ऐड करो नेगेटिव पहले ऐड करो, ऐसा मैथमेटिकल रूल नहीं है।
ओके
Suppose
सर
I have take see one example. Suppose I have minus 5 plus 7 minus 9 and plus 18. So easier way क्या होगा, मैं पहले पॉजिटिव ऐड कर दूं प्लस 25 हो गया, नेगेटिव ऐड कर दूं 5 plus 9 minus 14 हो गया। Now I will combine them, minus 14 plus 25 11 answer. So this makes my problem at times easier जब complicated numbers, because addition is always faster and simpler than subtraction.
थैंक यू सर
So Lilwani, you remember this question? And Sunny, or you don't?
सर ऐसा क्वेश्चन 100 बार ही आ चुका है
यस सर
So should I give you a very simple hint?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Solve the numerator and denominator separately. Solve the numerator and denominator separately. That is my very special hint to you guys. And I will walk till that time. Ma'am, please make this a star question. So Viru has got really worried if we'll keep on doing grade 6 when we will do grade 7.
सर ये तो ग्रेड 5 है.
Yes, now to I'm doing grade 5, Viru. So remember my hint, solve the denominator separately and numerator separately. All right, party. No one is able to solve.
Sir, please give 10 minutes.
Sir, wait, sir.
Let me solve the denominator at least.
No, sir. Sir, please wait. Sir, could you please
Money gets
remove
a
your
star.
pen mark? Sir, could you please remove your pen mark?
I just written that pen, those pen marks. Okay. Wicked, Sunny. Don't be wicked. So I'm just solving the denominator. So
Sir,
D
please. Sir, please no.
3 point. First of all, I'm solving this 3.717. 3.717 upon 9. So this will give me 0.413. So my denominator will be 0.087 plus 0.413, which is equal to 0.5, which is equal to half. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this, guys?
No,
Yes
sir.
or no?
No, sir.
Guys, if you have doubt, please ask. I have divided this here. Do we have doubts?
Percent.
Now I will work on my numerator. Numerator is equal to 13 by 4 minus 31 by 6 plus 10 by 3. Any doubts?
There is A, I think.
So then it will be 13 by 4. First, I will simplify this. Minus 31 plus 20, because this will change into 20 by 6, will give me 20 by 6. So it will be 11 by 6. Any doubts? Minus 31 plus 20. So this gives me 11 by 6. Any doubts? Yes or no? Now, next step, I will cross multiply. Cross multiplying is the faster way. You can use it in higher grades in your school exam also. 78 minus 44 will give you what? 78 minus 44. So it will give you 34 upon 24, which will give you 17 upon 12. Now this is my numerator, and so 17 upon 12 upon 1 by 2. So those who have not done Olympiads in the previous classes, whenever you get this one joins here and this 2 joins the numerator. So it will be 17 into 2 upon 12, which will give you 17 by 6, which will give you 2 5 by 6, which will give you option A.
सर मैं लास्ट स्टेप पे 17 by 12 और 1 by 2 सर मेरे सर पहले टाइम में लास्ट स्टेप पे मैंने वो लाइक न्यूमरेटर्स और डिनोमिनेटर दूसरा उल्टा कर दिया था तभी आंसर थोड़ा अलग आया
So Savir, you and Viransh, ये स्टेप समझ आया?
सर
सर
ये
मैं यहाँ पे पहुंच गया था इसके बाद मैंने कर लिया
ये आ गया कि नहीं आया? पहले मुझे ये बताओ.
सर समझ
सर
आ
आ गया
All right, Viru.
So my answer is correct because I said A.
Avyan, you understood?
यस सर
Pakka sure? So when you get such a typical confusing question, you solve the numerator and denominator separately. Now, why I wrote 0.5 as half? Because my options and my numerator is in fractions only. So I had to write that. All right. So do the 12th and 13th question.
How do you give a break?
What is a break?
Sir, when you give 5 minutes or 4 minutes of rest when the class is at time.
Why do you need rest?
Sir,
Sir,
to
because
wash
for studying for 30
बेटा
minutes.
कर लो यार, अब 7th में आ गए हो, ब्रेक नहीं किया करो, कर लो क्वेश्चन. 6th में आ गए हो, सॉरी.
सर आप 7th से ब्रेक ना लेना, 6th में तो दे दो.
Better than how you don't want to do homework, you don't want to do classwork. How will it work? Today Preeti is also not there. I'm missing Preeti so much. The president of the maths club has given the answer. All right, everyone has answered. So,
Yes.
so the value of a fraction dash, Viru, what should be the answer?
D.
So the value of a fraction decreases when the denominator is increased. So we have
Yes.
7 by 5, and if I make it 7 by 10, the value of the fraction will decrease. So what is the problem?
सर मैंने स्टार्टिंग वाली स्टेटमेंट द वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर की वैल्यू इसलिए सी लिख दिया.
And it is Bachelor of Arts, BA, Baba Black Sheep. So many things you know about BA. Still you don't give the correct answer. Why is that?
ग्रामर समझ नहीं आती.
So you have to do the 14th and 15th question.
May I go to watch the room?
Why you want to watch it during the class?
Or because I want to wash it.
Sir, please.
Take a 3 minutes break. Go and come back fast. Do the 15th question. 15th, rest of the options are here. Is it readable, guys? Font is small, but is it readable? So what is grandfather called in Hindi? I will ask this question from Mr. Vaiva since he is from China. So Mr. Vaiva, what is grandfather called in Hindi?
सर मुझे नहीं पता.
आपको नहीं पता?
No sir.
You see, you are from China. It proves that if you are from India, you must have known.
सर आप कोई और क्वेश्चन करवा दो 15th के बजाय.
बेटा why?
ओ अच्छा मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था.
Chalo, if you know the logic, it's okay then. You can avoid answering it.
So thank you for the very big hint, and I already got the answer.
No, I didn't give any hints. Don't give any hints. So Sunny, Adit,
Yes, sir.
answer please.
Sir, which question?
Beta, give the answer for both the questions.
Sir,
So
should I
Adit,
speak?
no. What is grandfather called in Hindi?
Sir, Dada.
Okay. So
So
can
no,
I
Dada-
Lilwani,
Dada
are you
is-
sending? Mr. Vaiva, Lilwani, are you sending?
Dada is big brother in some language, I don't know. It's Dadu.
So Dada is big brother in some, I think, Maharashtrian language. But or in Gujarati.
Ma'am, I accidentally sent the wrong answer.
In Chinese.
So Avyan, सनी, मिस्टर वाई वाई, पोल की क्या हो रहा है गाइस?
दिया।
हो क्या रहा है?
सर मैंने
Yes, sir.
भेज दिया।
All right, guys, time up. So I gave you the answer, guys. कितनी बार आंसर दूं मैं? How many times I should give the answer? It is DD. Dada. So when this is divided, the first one, Mr. YY पोल की बेटा first जितना easy question हो नहीं सकता. You are getting it wrong. So 40.257 upon 0.0189. I will multiply by 1000. So this will change into 40257 multiplied by 10 upon 189. Now we know that this divided by this is 213. 213 into 10 will give you 2130.
Sir, why 10? I
सर इसका कोई डायरेक्ट मेथड नहीं है?
क्या?
सर इसका कोई डायरेक्ट मेथड नहीं है?
बेटा ये डायरेक्ट मेथड ही तो है, मैंने इनको होल नंबर्स में कर लिया।
हाँ जी सर।
सर 10 से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया?
बेटा मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया इसमें, 1 सेकेंड, इसमें हाउ मेनी zeros were there? I have multiplied it by 10,000. Why with 10,000? Because multiplying with 10,000 will convert this to 189. कोई doubt इसमें?
No, sir.
Now when I multiply with this 1000, either you will write 40272,570 or you will write 40257 multiplied by 10.
Okay, sir.
Got it or no? मैं
Okay,
यहाँ
sir.
पे 407 that also I can write. Okay? I can write this also. Let me erase. Instead of this, I can write 402570. 402570. So when I write this again, you will get 2130 only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Viru? Who else got it wrong? Polki understood? Chinaman understood? Polki, I can't see your face, beta. Your hair is attending the class today. Next question. We just had to count the number of decimal places. See, in this, the number of decimal places are 3. In this, the number of decimal places are 3. In this, the number of decimal places are 3. So I want 9 decimal places. This is having 9. This is having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is having 5 plus 4, 9. This is having 4 plus 3 plus 1. 4, 3, 1 is 8. So this is not equal to the question. All right, Savera and Avyan and Sunny and Dheeraj.
सर मैंने गलती से equal to question कर दिया।
यस सर।
All right, so let me increase the font size a bit more. Bit less. So we can do 17th and 18th question. We can just do the 17th one. 18th one, so you will be able to. 18th कर लोगे ना, easy है, right? I think it's
Yes.
easy. So let's do the 17th question. या कर लेते हैं, यहाँ दोनों ही कर लेते हैं, easy है तो कर लो,
फिर बहुत easy है नहीं कर लो।
कोई बात नहीं। प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी.
But the questions are very long.
ठीक है practice.
तो 17 तो ऑलरेडी बहुत लंबा है।
कितना
Yes, sir.
छोटा क्वेश्चन है यार, 6 के क्वेश्चन है भाई.
Sir कोई बात नहीं.
6 का क्वेश्चन है गाइस, 6 ग्रेड 6 का क्वेश्चन दिया है मैंने.
मेरी क्लास का ही है.
Yes. So today Sabir wants class to be till 9 o'clock. He sent me a message. Guys,
So
everyone in the class should be like Sabir, so dedicated.
who's the president, the one who's from China? Sir?
Mr. YY is from China. Sabir is the dedicated boy in the class.
सर उसने 9 o'clock तक इसलिए बोला क्योंकि उसको ना 8:30 to 9 पढ़ना होता है, तो वो क्लास के बहाने सोएगा।
Sir, can hacker come for one day to 7th grade and hack Sabir's phones and so that you can block him? I'd report
One
him.
second. One
And
second.
you should report him for child abuse. So you have to multiply 4 by 7 to 2 by 3 and to 3 by 10.
Beta, instead of multiplying 4 by 7 with each one of them, why don't you add and then multiply by 4 by 7?
Yes, sir.
So it's not a difficult question, it's just a tricky question, the 17th one. Mr. YY from China. So is this chapter very easy? What do you say, guys?
Sir annoying one.
Sameer is such a dedicated child. I am so lucky to have Sameer.
Sir, do we have to do 18?
Yes, beta, you have to do 18 thoughts. Because earning a tick in 17th question is difficult. So I have given you 18 so that you can earn a tick. Mr. YY did the opposite.
Sir, he is out of this world. Sir, actually out of India.
So Advay, can I ask you one more Hindi question from you?
Yes, sir.
So Kaka is a Hindi word. उसको
Yes,
उसका
sir.
मीनिंग क्या होता है?
Sir, Mamu ya uncle.
So Sunny, is he correct or wrong?
सर काका के बहुत सारे मीनिंग होते हैं. सर बच्चे को भी कहते हैं कभी कभार काका.
Yes, बच्चों को भी कहते हैं. Mr. YY, you stop using Mandarin. So Arayana, Vita, did you solve it?
Sir, the
Arayana, did you solve it?
Sir, the second one I solved, the first one was against.
Your guess was correct, and what you solved was wrong. So, ma'am, please give a star to Wicket Sunny. And Dheeraj, time up now.
Sir, the
The
first
first,
answer is B, and the second one,
Beta, I
the
already spoke the answer, na? The answer is K, C, C. How many times should I sell the same answer?
sir, it's not nice. Kafka is from K. I thought.
So you keep
Kaka,
on thinking then.
Kaka means poop in French.
So they have asked the perimeter of triangle ABC, which I can get by adding this, this, and this, which I can do, or I can get the area of perimeter of rectangle BCDE. I think finding perimeter of rectangle BCDE is a better proposition.
I
So
didn't get the time to solve the question. That's
5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So this will be 10 by 2, which is how much? 5, right? And this will be 13 by 5 plus 13 by 5 will give me 26 by 5 plus 5. So I will get 5 1 by 5 plus 5, which is 10 1 by 5. Now only in the C part I can see 10 1 by 5. Then why will I calculate the complicated area of triangle ABC? So those who got it wrong, Mr. Avyan, Mr. YY, and some few more kids got it wrong. Have you understood? See guys, मुझे ये चारों options अलग दिखे. So I thought कि why not I just calculate one of the perimeters. So rectangle the perimeter finding was easy. So I calculated the perimeter of rectangle. Avyan, have you understood? Dheeraj, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, next question was actually tricky. because you might wonder what you have to do first. So definitely you will have to do off first. First of all, 1 plus half will be 3 by 2. Upon 1 minus half will be 1 by 2. Any confusion in this? Divide by 4 by 7. 2 by 5 will become 4 by 10. 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10 will be 7 by 10. Off. First, I will have to solve off. I have not solved anything. I am again telling you, मैंने ये simplify किया, कुछ भी operation solve नहीं किया मैंने. Because I have to solve the off first. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 will be 5 by 6. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 will be 1 by 6. Now 6 and 6 will get cancelled out. Kahin confusion ho, guys, please ask. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So 3 divided by 4 by 7 times 7 by 10 multiplied by 5. Any confusion, please ask. किसी step में this is 5 by 6. This is 1 by 6. Denominator of denominator joins the numerator तो cancel हो जाएगा. जो सेकेंड और फोर्थ पोजीशन में उसको आप सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट और थर्ड में उसको सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो. और यू कैन टेक इट द लॉन्ग वे एंड डू इट. कहीं कंफ्यूजन है गाइस? प्लीज आस्क नाउ. सवेरा अंडरस्टूड?
सर
Yes, sir.
यस.
मैं 3/2 आया था, मैंने गलती से 2/3 लिख दिया.
ओके. सो हैव वी अंडरस्टूड? अभियान,
Yes, sir.
नीरज. Now this will change to 2. अब मैं इन दोनों को कर सकता हूँ सिंप्लीफाई. So 4, 2 1s are 4, 2. So I will get 3 divided by 2, which is 3 by 2. Isn't it? So this question was more of which operation you have to do first rather than how to solve. So have we understood? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
कोई confusion, कोई शक?
No, sir.
So if you have any doubt, Avyan, understood?
Yes, sir.
So bye guys, bye kids, enjoy it. Good night.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Sorry beta, I couldn't take your class for more time. Bye.